I'm so sorry.
Why are you right here?
That was when they had the
You look so young here.
girl. That was when they did the academic, you know, the club fair in the gym. That was crazy. Anyway.
Oh yeah, I have to go again to sign up.
So I was trying to record Very help me taking down my hair, but I don't think it was even recording. But oh wow. Maybe you can do a recap. A recap of what you thought about it. Oh wait, it was recording. I think it just stopped.
Oh, there's a limit.
Yeah, I have to delete some stuff.
Okay, let's continue.
Bye. Guys, so I know I didn't update you guys on my hair, but I really tried to. It's a whole story. I'll debrief you, but later. But I'm going out with some friends. We're gonna go to Panera, so I'm gonna take you guys with me because you know it's gonna be cool. I feel really cute. Oh my god, making me really miss my long hair, but now I can wear this hair when I want and it still be natural. But I gotta go because we have to get our ride in 4 minutes. Alright, gotta go. Bye.
I've been wanting it for 2 years.
Wow.
Break it out today.
Oh, wow.
Hey guys, look at Nina. Nina said hi.
Hola.
Hi.
Tomorrow is the signal of more U.S.
At
Why can't you just pull it
Panera,
out like nothing?
food is gone. I mean,
it's already on. She's just like.
I couldn't record when she was talking about him. That would have been weird. All right, say something interesting. Yeah, possibly.
Dear Carissa.
Yeah.
So what's this vlog, your next vlog gonna be about?
Girl, I don't know. It's gonna be a bunch of stuff put together. I know the college life has gotten to me. I just been too lazy to edit. That's all.
What's your
Do you
major?
not believe me?
Slacking YouTuber. What's your major? I don't know.
Weren't you doing Asian studies?
Yeah, I probably use Asian studies. What's good? What's your major?
Anthropology.
Really?
Yeah.
Pharmacology?
Anthropology.
I was like, what?
What did you say? Ew, the table's so dirty. Don't lay on it.
What's your major, Beauty? What's your major? Damn, man, close.
I think psychology, but I'm gonna give neuroscience a chance.
Okay.
What's your major?
Politics. Politics with Spanish minor. Something along those lines.
Wow.
Are you happy? Are you excited? Do you enjoy your black bean soup?
Yeah.
Zoom in, zoom
Reminded me of home.
I mean, I still need to take more classes of voice, but
Can you hold the camera? Thanks.
institutional classes.
Can you hold the camera?
Can you record me, please?
No.
Look at her, she's lost. We're entertaining her with some videos. Oh look, she's having...
I would feed her, but they say don't feed the animals.
Oh damn! Did you hear what she said? She's a savage! She was like, I would feed her, but they said don't feed the animals. Oh, we're entertaining you. Are you having fun? Look, I'll replay
What
it.
did you do?
I didn't do anything. Aren't you
Who are you
cold?
texting? Your boyfriend?
No, I don't have one.
Okay, somebody's coming. Is he here yet?
Not yet.
I really wanted to go to Posted Print, which is over there, but I don't see the pathway isn't cleared, so that's what I really want my packages. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Alright, so I am back from the cold. Take off this bonnet. So yeah, I don't know if you guys remember, but I tried showing you guys me straightening my hair. That was a fail. I don't know if I'm gonna insert the clip and like blow drying it, because literally that's all I recorded myself doing. Because after that I got really upset. But anyway, what happened was I was blow drying it, and as usual my ends were like still puffy and they weren't blow drying straight or whatever. So I'm like, okay, maybe they'll get straight once I start flat ironing it. So I start flat ironing and they still weren't getting straight. They just felt rough, so I started to cut them off. But as I started cutting them, they, you know, still weren't getting straight. So they were still rough, so I cut them off. And that didn't help, because now my hair is like all lopsided and stuff, and like the back is longer than the front. But that's okay, because I have this. Excuse my dresser's a mess. I have this beautiful half wig. It's by Outre, the Annie half wig. I really like it. It blends nice. I just like leave my front out, or I just, you know, pull it back. It don't matter. My back of my hair is kind of rough because the steam from my shower last night hit it or whatever, but it's whatever. I don't know. I'm just really nervous. All I care about is how it's gonna look when I try to wear it as like a fro. Where did my noodles go? So it's too cold outside. Yeah, I went to go get my packages, but I'm not gonna walk. So I got this mug because I'm tired of trying to like warm up my water in this cup, because it starts to like smell and feel weird, and hopefully this is microwave safe. It was only $11, so you know, I really need to stop spending, because yo, I spent so much stuff. I'm gonna do a whole haul because I got loads of stuff from Amazon and loads of stuff from, you know, Misguided and Forever 21. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll do a clothing haul. Who knows? I just have to go like run out a camera, and that camera is too heavy to be trying to carry back and forth. But yeah, I have so much to do. I have a test tomorrow. I have papers due next week, because after next week we go on break. Yes. Winter recess. Yes. So I might upload way more on during winter recess, so my break in February, because obviously I'll have more time to record and edit and upload everything. But I've really been slacking because of school and just time. Like, I have loads of videos prepped. I have all the clips prepped. It's just me budgeting out time to edit. That's all I have to do, is just crank down on editing. Yep. But I don't know, this video might go up on Saturday, which is the 10th. Sorry, it's the 11th. I'm so close. I'm like this. Did it stop? I just pressed the volume up. Oh. But anyway, yeah. They should all be up on the 11th. Oh, I texted my friend. I was trying to come see you. Oh, can you see? Oh, but anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna, like, you know, I told you I was gonna upload a Get Ready With Me for 90s. That never happened. I have all that footage. Then my friend was over and we did like this little 2 Truths and a Lie. I have that footage. I could do a clothing haul, boom, or just a haul in general, because I bought so much stuff again. I could do a review on the wig I bought. Like, I could just upload a normal vlog. Like, it's so much stuff I could be uploading. It just takes time. Oh, an announcement. I changed my upload days to just Saturday, because trying to do Saturday and Monday was too much, because that means that I would like basically have to try to film 2 videos in a week. and then that really wasn't happening because I was so focused on vlog for Saturday that I forgot I needed to upload something on Monday. I don't know. Plus, I'm only beginning, so I'm just gonna start out doing the one video on Saturday, or I could or I have fluctuation. I might upload a video once a week on Saturday and another one on Monday. So, but my 2 main upload days are gonna be on Saturday or Monday. That's the thing, Saturday or Monday, not Saturday and. It's all about and or but, like off that Schoolhouse Rock song. Anyway, I'm gonna go. All right, bye, because my arm's starting to hurt, and this video is like 5 minutes already. Bye-bye. Hi guys, I know if you made it to the end, congrats. That was like a vlog from like the beginning of February. We're obviously toward the end. I've been slacking a lot, but don't you worry, because I'm still gonna slack. Just kidding. I'm gonna try my hardest. I wrote down like all the videos that I like have recorded. I have like 5 videos recorded, so they might all be uploaded at the same time or different times. My friend is shaking her head. Different times they will be recorded at different times. I don't know. This YouTube thing is hard. Yes. But I'm back in action. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. There are more videos coming. Again, I'm gonna reiterate that I'm uploading on any day of the week now. Just any day I feel like it, because yep, I'm not gonna edit that out either, because that's me, and this is what my YouTube channel is about. It's supposed to be me. It's me. You're getting a dose of me. I feel like I'm being extra right now. I probably am, because sometimes I really can't find that line. Alright, I'm gonna go next. I'm just rambling on, and yeah, have a nice blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am out here in a headscarf, but it's break. No one's really here. My friend has dragged me to the library to do work, and I'm like, girl, it's break. Let's go party. Just kidding. No one parties over break. Mother, I love you. Alright, bye.